Hey y'all, so welcome to the video. As you can see, it is a glow up with me in one day, and it's VLOGMAS day 7. So if you want like this, keep watching. Hey guys, so I actually saw y'all earlier. I was doing my hair different and I changed my mind. But as you see by the title, we're doing a glow up video. So by the end I went out like this. But we're doing a glow up. This VLOGMAS day 7. So we're starting our hair. I'm gonna do like some large knotless braids because I need something. Yeah. So I finished braiding my hair, but my feet hurt. But I had to stop recording. My hair is alright. I'm not the biggest fan of it because I know I can do better, but it was just something quick. I was tired of looking at my head the way it was looking. But I'm gonna have to dip the ends since I'm a curler. I'm always curling my ends. I got this one white braid. If you don't know, me and black and white braids go together real bad. But yeah, it looks so weird without my third piercing it. But yeah. So then, there's the title. The title change is gonna be different when I introduce the video, so I'm about to have to reintroduce it. But I'm gonna do my lashes and my eyebrows. So we do the face glow up. The nails have to wait until I do my mother's hair because I can't braid with nails unless I do my nails short like this, which I could. I have other nails in there, so I'm about to see what they look like to see if I can cut them or not. But yeah, so trying to stay on topic for this video. It's not really a vloggy vlog, even though it could be, but yeah. So we had to take a little Walmart break again. It's cool though. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a little haul of what I got. I'm always buying something. But I finished my hair. I told you that already. It's mid and curls. Yeah, they're pretty though. And then my eyebrows and my eyelashes like back on. I'm tired though, so I'm gonna get some coffee. Need some Starbucks. If you're new to my channel, I love Starbucks. Like really bad. But yeah. I apologize for the lighting. Cause you drove home for dinner break and I left all my stuff at home for YouTube. I'm talking about tripods, the thing that's such coming to my mirror in the bathroom, my light, everything. So that's cool. But cause I'm gonna go on a little ramble. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from Walmart and Target. I did some clips, could have did better, but this is not what this video is supposed to be about, but it kind of is. So Let's start with Target. So, because I know I heard about this on TikTok, I got the brow glue by NYX because I usually use hair gel to do it. Like, I use hair gel to do mine, and I'm tired of using edge control and stuff like that. So, we're gonna try it. Yeah, I'll probably try it tomorrow. And then I got these 2 mix bar hair and body mix. One's Cloud Musk, one's Vanilla Bourbon, because I have Cloud Musk and Vanilla Bourbon already. And then I also have the Coconut Palm one, but I bought the perfume and the body and hair mist at the same time, so I already have that together. So I'm gonna just add that to my little collection. At the end, after I finish my little haul, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like all 3 of them side by side. It's so pretty. I'm just, yeah. And then Amazon. This has to do with the video. So if y'all didn't know, I love me some lash clusters. Like, I put my friends on. I got a TikTok tutorial on how to do it and everything. So got some lash clusters. I got some more. I got the 40 and 5D ones this time. So I wanted to stack them so much, and I really like the short ends on me now. So I'm gonna start doing that. So I'm gonna do my lashes tonight. Figure out how to do that. I'm gonna look my little mirror at school also. And then if you be on TikTok, the Kojic acid bar with turmeric. I'm gonna try it. I got it off Amazon instead of TikTok shop. I do it get here faster. So I'm gonna try that tonight too. I guess all of this has to do with my glow up, you know. So then me and EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion go together, and this is good for my girls with eczema too. Okay, because I got eczema. Even though mine has improved, I got eczema. This is my 5th one. Not this like scent, but this is like, I have all of them. Like, I got the fresh and clean one. I got the coconut one. I got the pomegranate raspberry, and I have the vanilla one. And so I actually found this one. Never seen it nowhere else. This is my first time going to this Walmart. Never seen it nowhere else. They have the jasmine peach. It smells so good. I had to get it. Like, I just had to. So I was like, since I got a peach lotion, I need me a body wash with peach in it, right? And if y'all don't know me, now you know. Me and Native go together real bad also. So I found this sweet peach and nectar. And then, you know, just sniffing. I picked up another one. I picked up cherry and vanilla macaron. They both smell so good, y'all. They both smell so good. And then, you know, I showed y'all my vlog yesterday. I got the mid exfoliator. I did not like the way that felt at all. So I got gloves. And then last but not least, I also told y'all yesterday I was running out of saline. So I got some more because I got piercing. Gotta clean this one, and my belly button every single day. Y'all, I'm sorry, this night it's off topic, but oh well. This belly button piercing, do it ever heal? Like, do it ever heal? Genuinely. Because, y'all, I done had this thing about a year and a half now, and it's still not healed. I done had this thing for about a year and a half also. Definitely has not healed, and I have a keloid. This one I just got. It's doing the best out of any of these piercings did. Like, but yeah, so trying to think what I'm gonna do next. Like, do you take a shower and then do the tedious lashes, or do you do the lashes and then take a shower? I don't know. We're gonna figure it out, but I'm gonna wait out to the next clip and then get to it. lashes. So I'm about to try out this kojic acid turmeric soap that I off Amazon, linking in my Amazon storefront. But before I do that, I'm gonna wash my face with this La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. So my face can be clean, and then I use it. But inshallah, these are my eyebrows. Like, I really just need to wax it. Now the shape of my eyebrows, I can't really do anything about that without thinning them out. And I'm not trying to do that. So the eyebrow thing is kind of difficult. Yeah. I hear how the camera never does me justice about how I look. I really be looking like that girl. Like that girl in person. And then the camera. But yeah, I'ma just.
Tell me what you see in me.